Yo, what up friends, welcome back to the video. So this morning I was busy just working on my craft, catching up with some commissions. Again, when I'm not doing car stuff, my actual main profession as a freelance illustrator means I draw anime for a living. I also spent a good couple hours finalizing designs for our 9th anniversary. This is going to be our first merch drop for KMR in exactly a year. So yes, you are getting a small sneak preview of what will be in the release. And yes, we are creating our own steering wheel, so more on that later. But for now, we're going to be making some minor FRS changes. I mean, when is the FRS ever going to be done, Birdie? When is any project car ever going to be done? Is there even a final version? That's the car game for you. Also going to be cleaning and prepping her for Matsuri Cars and Anime, which is an event that happens annually here in Calgary. And I feel like tomorrow's event is going to be a banger. I never went last year, unfortunately. Now, cleaning this thing up means we finally address the hail damage that happened during last year's Bonanza. The roof is f***ed, guys. I just got this reappraised by my insurance, and I did a whole claim and everything, and they got back to me and told me that it was a total loss. So what ended up happening was they reimbursed me for the damages, because when I took it to the hail damage place and they analyzed the car, they said that the damages itself was going to be way too much to repair. I just ended up buying it back from the insurance company so that I can at least keep the car. Plus, okay guys, I know I'm always like back and forth in my mind about the whole color change of my car, but this wrap is not going to be on here for much longer. Okay, we're going to be going back to black. I just promised myself that we'd keep the wrap on for at least one more anime event. And you know what makes me happy is I was actually able to attach my car finally and bring it to a few anime events this year. So these are the cars we're showing with. Can't complain. This means we finally can install our spare trunk, which is this white BRZ trunk that I bought off a friend last year in decently mint condition. I was able to get this for like $100, and the fact that it is a BRZ means the holes for the spoiler come pre-drilled, and that is also one less worry. Because what a lot of people don't know is this isn't even the stock FRS trunk. It is a BRZ trunk, and I bought it because it came with this spoiler. I like how aggressive the BRZ spoiler looks from factory. But in the meantime, I can clean this up, take off the emblems, and wrap it black. Oh my gosh. So fuck. Guess I'm gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Yes, I'm using a blade, but don't worry, I am being as careful as I possibly can. Just lightly skimming the back of this 3M. It's gonna be painted eventually. I decided to wet sand the surface because there was some areas with minor surface rust, but again, we'll get this professionally painted down the line. For now, do what we can with whatever little time we have. Alright, she's looking nice and mint. Think we're ready for wrap. I'm doing the trunk in 2 pieces, with the inner back part first. I'm also using knifeless tape along the body line so the seams are subtle and hard to even notice. Just something about this wrap though. I usually order my rolls from a local wrap shop supplier, but because of the time crunch, I got this from Amazon overnight shipping. The brand is still Vivid, which I've used in the past and haven't had any issues. Like, it still has the same qualities you'd want out of a wrap, like a protective peel so you can't really scratch the vinyl while you're placing it down, and also the forgiving air release. But for some reason, it was just so hard to take it off once it touched the surface. It would just be hard stuck, and it made it so complicated for me to move it around. I struggled for like 3 hours and found out it was probably meant for vinyl stickers and not whole car bodies. Also, probably would have been easier to wrap this while it's on the car because the trunk just kept moving around. I don't know how they do it. I'm not a rapper. This was insanely tough, and I don't know why. This is Vivid wrap. I've seen people put wrap on cars, even with the backing off, and they're able to like move it around and place it. For some reason, this Vivid vinyl that I got off Amazon is so sticky. Take it from me, wrapping big pieces with zero leverage is the worst. Let's move the FRS into the garage and proceed to take off the trunk. And remember, we gotta take off everything. There's this sill piece that goes here that has the Toyota emblem on it. Got the license plate screws, BRZ spoiler, and then all the lights and the latch. I still gotta cut it. The idea is to just transfer everything from back here. So we're just gonna start unbolting things, unclipping lights, and also this mechanism. I think everything just can get fed through this hole right here. Unbolt the trunk itself. Oh, and also the BRZ spoiler. So there's actually holes here that you can get into. What the hell? One of the bolts is missing. And also the key lock, which is just held on by 2 bolts, which look like 8 mils, possibly. The hard part about all of this is just trying to feed the wiring through, which actually isn't even that hard. I mean, the thing is, I don't want to break any clips. All right. I think the last time I did this actually was years ago when I did a complete trunk swap with my FRS with the nurse spec wing to my friend Streets and Peaks, who gave me this BRZ trunk. So believe it or not, this trunk actually used to be white also. I have an idea. Beautiful. All right, take this off. Now this is off, I can actually take this opportunity to clean this thing up. Wait, can I just like take this off? What? Hold up, I don't think I needed to do that at all. Oh, I'm dumb. We're just gonna unclip this bad boy. I think I can just pull everything through now. Cake. Let me take off the BRZ wing and then we can actually install that on our new trunk. And then I'll wait for Oscar to take the actual trunk off because, nah, I can do this myself. Yeah, who needs Oscar? The BRZ spoiler is connected by 4 screws, but it's incredibly easy to drop them inside. I'm speaking from experience. So I like to use a magnet for this part. Beautiful. I actually don't know how I'm gonna do this with one person. But where there's a will, there's always a way. Yeah, we'll just wing this. This is my plan. take off one side. Wait, I hear a friend. I hear a friend.
Yo.
Bruh.
What's good? I got your chips.
Chips? What are you talking about? Oh, goddamn, you got the chips.
Yeah, the chips that Calvin bought us.
Let's go.
Shout out to Calvin.
Yes, sir. Welcome to Calgary.
Alright, we gotta finish the wrap.
About that.
Actually, stop.
Alright.
Called it.
So, I don't think we're gonna sleep tonight. Welcome to Calgary.
I called it. I literally told Aki, I was like, bro, he posted a white trunk. How much you want to bet? Doesn't matter what time I pull up. We're gonna have car shit to do.
No. Honestly, I was about to do this myself. I just needed an extra hand to take this off, bro.
Oh,
so you came right on time. And yeah, I just basically had to put that on, reharness it, which is gonna take me like less than 10 minutes. I did all the hard stuff, so.
Detroit.
Okay, thank you. Bro, have you guys seen this flavor before? I've never seen this color can before. Iced vanilla berry.
I see that. Smart on using the cover though.
Right.
Okay.
Fuck this trunk.
Alright.
Yep. Sick! Oh my goodness.
Let's line it up first and then we can make sure everything closes properly. Is it still, oh, it's still loose on that side?
It is.
Oh, okay.
YouTubes don't mind that this is white. I think it fits the character of Nell because she's a Spada and she should have like white bones. Now I'm just coping. Brother, I'll get this painted next summer just for show. Watch it hail.
Don't say that.
Oh my god. Like we didn't even do anything. Nah, she's clean again. Jokes aside, it's night and day difference. That old trunk is practically garbage. Now we're basically just reversing the process. Moment of truth. Ace! Now let's see if this works. Did I do something wrong?
You connect everything?
Bruh. Try to. Beauty! Wow! Wait. Le piece, le resistance! Yeah. Nah, I'm just kidding. Alright, I'm gonna call it, guys. Still gotta wake up so early tomorrow because we had to be there at least like 2 hours prior to set up the car, set up the booth. It looks like we did nothing at all. But freaking clean. Also, you can kind of tell that the gloss black wrap and the actual Raven black are two different shades of black.
Time to redo the wrap.
Yep. Let's go. You just want to not sleep, huh? No, you know what? Let's just change the entire car black. Let's start ripping
Let's
these.
invert it. We invert everything.
Like the top half is green?
Yeah.
What?
Green carbon.
Idea.
Let's go with that.
We have enough wrap. Good night. I will see you guys in the tomorrow's vlog, Matsuri. Let's get it. So remember guys, KMR Season 9 Autumn release. I like to theme our drops, and this one's called Overdrive. No specific date yet, but keep in mind, early October. I'm so excited to show you guys what I've been cooking up, so yeah, save the date. She got me like... I think that's a crop top.
No, I'm just surprised that you still... No, it's a small. This one's actually the first one I bought from you.
Oh,
back when I met you and like with Vince. Yeah, I was like, oh, support the homie. Though then now I just have to wait a bit longer and get it for free.